Welcome back to Real Talk Motivation. Today we're stepping into the future with something that feels less like a vehicle and more like a luxury dream on wheels. The 2027 Honda Legend Motorhome. Imagine combining the elegance Honda is known for with the freedom of a modern mobile home. This machine isn't just built for travel. It's built for people who want to escape ordinary living and experience the road in a completely different way. The first thing you notice about the 2027 Honda Legend Motorhome is the design. Honda gave this vehicle a futuristic appearance with smooth aerodynamic curves, sharp LED lighting, and a body that looks more like a luxury yacht than a traditional RV. Every angle feels premium. Every detail looks intentional. It carries a quiet confidence that instantly separates it from the bulky motorhomes most people are used to seeing on the road. Under the hood, Honda introduces a powerful hybrid electric system that combines performance with efficiency. This motorhome is designed for long-distance travel without constantly worrying about fuel stops. The electric support system helps reduce fuel consumption while also making the drive smoother and quieter. Even on steep mountain roads or long highway stretches, the power delivery feels controlled and effortless. Inside the cabin, the experience becomes even more impressive. Honda designed the interior to feel like a luxury apartment. Soft ambient lighting surrounds the space, while premium leather seating and wood-style finishes create a warm and relaxing atmosphere. The moment you step inside, it no longer feels like a vehicle, it feels like a private retreat moving through the world. The dashboard is fully digital with advanced AI support. Drivers can control navigation, lighting, climate, entertainment, and even kitchen settings through voice commands. Honda's intelligent driving assistant also monitors road conditions in real time, helping make long trips safer and less stressful. The technology is designed to support the driver without becoming distracting. One of the biggest highlights is the panoramic smart glass windows. During the day, they give you breathtaking views of nature, cities, and coastlines. At night, they automatically tint for privacy. Whether parked near a lake or deep in the mountains, the outside world becomes part of your living experience without sacrificing comfort or security. The sleeping area is designed like a 5-star hotel suite. Honda included a king-size smart bed with automatic adjustment settings and memory foam support. Soft LED ceiling lights create a calm atmosphere, while hidden storage compartments maximize space without making the room feel crowded. Every inch of the design focuses on comfort and simplicity. The kitchen inside the 2027 Honda Legend Motorhome feels surprisingly advanced. It includes a smart refrigerator, induction cooking system, compact oven, and foldable dining space. Honda even integrated AI-powered energy management, so appliances consume power efficiently during long trips. Cooking while traveling no longer feels inconvenient. It feels modern and enjoyable. The bathroom is another area where Honda completely changed expectations. Instead of the cramped designs common in many RVs, this motorhome offers a spacious luxury bathroom with a rainfall shower, automatic temperature control, and touch-sensitive mirrors. It feels more like a premium hotel spa than a mobile restroom. Honda also focused heavily on sustainability. Solar panels are integrated into the roof, helping power interior systems and reducing dependency on fuel generators. Advanced battery storage allows travelers to stay off-grid for longer periods without sacrificing comfort. For people who love nature, this feature makes the entire experience more independent and environmentally friendly. The entertainment system transforms the living area into a personal cinema. A hidden 8K display emerges from the wall, paired with surround sound speakers placed throughout the cabin. Streaming services, gaming systems, and wireless connectivity are all integrated seamlessly. Even while parked in remote areas, passengers can enjoy a premium entertainment experience. Safety remains one of Honda's strongest priorities. The 2027 Honda Legend Motorhome includes 360-degree cameras, collision prevention systems, adaptive cruise control, lane assistance, and emergency AI response technology. The vehicle constantly analyzes traffic conditions and road hazards, to help protect everyone inside. For families traveling long distances, this level of safety brings real peace of mind. The driving experience itself feels surprisingly smooth for such a large vehicle. Honda engineered advanced suspension technology that reduces road vibration and improves handling. Even on uneven terrain, the motorhome remains stable and comfortable. Long journeys become less tiring, allowing drivers to enjoy the adventure rather than endure it. Storage solutions inside this motorhome are incredibly intelligent. Hidden cabinets, expandable compartments, and underfloor storage areas allow travelers to carry everything they need without creating clutter. Honda clearly understood that luxury doesn't only come from expensive materials. It also comes from smart organization and practical living. One fascinating feature is the expandable side lounge. With a simple button press, a section of the motorhome extends outward, creating a larger living space while parked. This transforms the interior into a spacious lounge area, perfect for relaxing, socializing, or enjoying family time after a long day of travel. The climate control system uses advanced sensors to automatically adjust temperature and airflow depending on weather conditions. Whether traveling through deserts, snowy mountains, or humid coastal areas, the interior remains comfortable without constant manual adjustments. Honda wanted travelers to focus on the journey, not the settings. The exterior lighting system deserves attention as well. Intelligent LED strips illuminate pathways around the vehicle during nighttime stops, improving both safety and style. The lighting automatically adapts based on surrounding darkness and motion detection, creating an elegant, futuristic atmosphere wherever the motorhome is parked. For remote workers and digital creators, Honda integrated a dedicated smart workspace. High-speed satellite internet, wireless charging surfaces, and ergonomic seating make it possible to work comfortably from almost anywhere in the world. The line between travel and productivity begins to disappear completely. The sound insulation inside the vehicle is extremely advanced. Honda used layered acoustic materials to minimize outside noise, making the cabin feel peaceful even when parked near busy roads or crowded campsites. Silence becomes part of the luxury experience, allowing travelers to truly relax. Families traveling with children will appreciate the modular seating arrangements and entertainment options. The interior can quickly adapt depending on the number of passengers or activities. From movie nights to dining setups, the space changes effortlessly to meet different needs throughout the journey. Honda also included advanced health-focused features. Air purification systems constantly filter dust and allergens while monitoring cabin air quality in real time. Special ambient lighting modes are designed to reduce stress and improve relaxation during long trips. These small details reveal how deeply Honda thought about passenger well-being. The smart parking assistance system makes maneuvering this large vehicle surprisingly manageable. Using cameras, sensors, and AI-guided controls, the motorhome can assist with parking in tight areas or unfamiliar locations. Even drivers new to RV travel may feel more confident behind the wheel. One of the most exciting elements is the rooftop observation deck. With automated access stairs and protective railings, travelers can relax above the vehicle and enjoy open-air views during sunsets, camping nights, or scenic stops. It transforms the motorhome into more than transportation. It becomes an experience platform. The furniture throughout the cabin is multifunctional. Sofas convert into beds, tables fold away seamlessly, and hidden compartments appear exactly where needed. Honda designed every feature to maximize comfort without wasting space. The result feels clean, modern, and surprisingly spacious. Another standout feature is the Smart Energy Dashboard. Travelers can monitor battery levels, water usage, solar power generation, and energy consumption directly from touchscreen panels or mobile devices. Managing life on the road becomes simple and intuitive rather than stressful. The 2027 Honda Legend Motorhome also supports autonomous driving assistance on selected highways. While drivers must remain attentive, the system can manage speed adjustments, lane positioning, and traffic flow during long-distance travel. This technology reduces fatigue and makes road trips feel more relaxing. Luxury travelers will appreciate the customizable mood settings throughout the cabin. Lighting colors, temperature, music, and even scent diffusers can automatically adjust depending on the atmosphere passengers want to create. Morning energy, evening relaxation, or romantic nighttime settings can all be activated instantly. Honda's focus on durability is another important part of this vehicle. Weather-resistant materials, reinforced structural engineering, and advanced water protection systems make the motorhome reliable in different climates and road conditions. It's designed not just for comfort, but also for long-term adventure. The price of the 2027 Honda Legend Motorhome is expected to place it in the premium luxury category. But for many travelers, it represents more than a vehicle purchase. It represents freedom. The freedom to wake up beside oceans, forests, mountains, and cities without sacrificing modern comfort. What truly makes this motorhome special is the emotional experience it creates. It changes how people think about travel. Hotels become optional. Routines disappear. The world itself becomes your backyard, your living room, and your destination all at once. The 2027 Honda Legend Motorhome feels like Honda asking a powerful question. What if the future of luxury isn't staying in one place, but having the ability to take your entire lifestyle anywhere you want to go? And honestly, after seeing what this machine offers, that future doesn't feel far away anymore. Thank you for watching Real Talk Motivation. If you enjoyed this journey into the future of luxury travel, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next incredible story, innovation, or dream machine coming your way.